How to select the right CNC lathe for hardware tools. Different types of CNC lathes and their roles in hardware manufacturing. Horizontal flatbed CNC lathes are cost-effective, entry-level machines ideal for machining common shafts and disc parts, maintaining relevance in hardware production for startups and maintenance shops. Slant-bed CNC lathes offer superior rigidity and thermal stability for high-precision tasks such as automotive and mold parts, therefore becoming the mainstream machine in most enterprises. Turn mill centers excel in multi-process parts, using powered turrets and C-axis to perform turning, milling, and drilling in one setup, ideal for valve bodies, gears, and medical components. Complete processing for machining hardware components on CNC lathes. Generate G-code from CAD CAM. Then prepare the required cutting tools and fixtures e.g. chucks or collets for machining. The standard process involves clamping, tool compensation, and automated execution of operations. Advanced lathes with power turrets or multi-axis systems enhanced. This by enabling composite machining in one setup for greater efficiency and accuracy. After machining, parts undergo deburring and cleaning before inspection with tools like calipers or CMM. Some systems enhance batch precision further by using in-process inspection. For real-time error correction, how to select the right CNC lathe for hardware tools. 1. Specify parts characteristics. 2. Analyze production patterns. 3. Set the budget range. 4. Matching machine model categories. For example, simple hardware screws, nuts, standard sockets. Select flatbed CNC lathe. Precision hardware automotive parts, mold accessories, bushings. Select the slant bed CNC lathe. Multi-process complex components, valve bodies, gears, medical device parts. Select CNC turning center, micro or slender components. Watch parts, electronic connectors, medical implants. Select Swiss type CNC lathe.